Hi guys, my name is Rahul and I'm going to help you to download Super Mario. As you can see that in the Android Play Store it's still not available, but it was available for a few hours and I got the APK from the YouTube channel Epic Droid. So he has uploaded the APK on the on his own page, so you can download the APK from his page, this one, and I have already downloaded it and you can install Super Mario from the, you will ask like this. And I heard that it has some issues with Samsung phones, that is you cannot download APK using Samsung phones inbuilt browser. Maybe if you use Google Chrome you can install Super Mario APK. So currently I am installing the Super Mario in my Redmi Note 3. So it has been installed. I am going to open it, and here it is the Nintendo screen, and here Super Mario is started. Okay, it's loading. So tap. Let's go. Let me just decrease the sound of this theme. So we have to select country. I don't think there will be any issues with selecting any country because it's going to be available very soon. Yes, selected India. Now later. Okay, and I will agree with the user agreement, and here we go. I guess okay, I will try Luigi. So I think it's done, and here we go. Okay,
Oh yeah, Mario time!
so set and other is the dragon. Let's see what's the game first. Okay, it's an, as you know, the Mario is an endless running game. It's the first stage. So guys, go and enjoy this game by installing this APK and have fun.